Good morning or good day, class. We're going to take a look at exercise 69, your favorite exercise, from chapter 7.5. And this thing is about conjectures and proofs over vermoedens en bewijzen. They want you to, with a little help of those steps right here, prove that something is true. Well, let's take a look. They start with you just going to, you're just going to calculate the angles that they give to you. That shouldn't be too difficult right now. What you should do is, I'm only going to show you this one with a calculation. Do the other ones for yourself if you want to. So here you would say angle B1 is 180 minus 100 minus 36 equals, in this case, 54 degrees. Y, I'm always right base there, it's the angle sum. Angle sum triangle. What is B2? Well, B2 and B1 together are a straight angle, right? So you can say B2 is 180 minus 54 is 136 degrees. Y, straight angle. And you have to do that for DEF and PQR as well. I'm just going to write down, just to show you how you can do an exercise like this, I'm only going to give you the answers. Here you will find that E2 is 120 degrees. Here we found 136, right? And here we will find that Q2 is equal to 115 degrees. What conjecture do you have after calculating the exterior angles in part A? What is an exterior angle? They give it to you here. That's in Dutch they call that the buitenhoek. So you have the angle inside of your triangle, and then B2 is the part outside of your triangle. They call that the exterior angle, the buitenhoek. So, welk vermoeden, what conjecture, do you have after calculating the exterior angles in part A? Use the term exterior angles in your answer. Let's take a look. So something peculiar should be happening, right? And let's just take a look at this calculation that I did right here. I did 180 minus 100 minus 36. So I subtracted 136 degrees and I found 54. And here I subtracted 54 and I found 136. Hey, that's strange. So 136 is the same as those two angles combined. 100 plus 36. Let's see if that's the case here as well. This angle right here should be 60 degrees. Hey, 120 is equal to 50 plus 70. And here 115 is equal to 90 plus 25. So what's my conjecture here? Wat is mijn vermoeden? I think that, I don't know yet, right? I haven't proven that right now. Maybe this is just true for those three triangles here. But I think that the exterior angle, the buitenhoek, is equal to, is gelijk aan, the sum the sum of what? How am I going to describe this? If I have angle B1 here, then those two angles, in Dutch you say de aanliggende hoeken. Die liggen aan hoek B1. So in English I would use the term adjacent for that. So I could say it is equal to the sum of the adjacent angles in the triangle. But you can describe this, not an angle, in the triangle. You can describe this any other way in English to make yourself clear, right? I think this is a quick way to describe this. Dus ik denk dat de buitenhoek gelijk is aan de som van de aanliggende hoeken in de driehoek. 100 plus 36, 50 plus 70. And now, here, they let you prove that that is true. How are we going to do that? Well, we just have to fill in a few spots here. And the exercises after this are going to give you less information here every time, so it gets more difficult every time. But here they already give you a head start. They say angle A plus angle B1 plus angle C is 180 degrees, right? That's just an angle sum of triangle. So angle A plus angle C must be the same as 180 minus angle, in this case B1, right? If I add these two up, I get 136. Yeah, that's the same as 180 minus, in this case, 54, this one right here. And angle B2 is the same as 180 minus B1 as well, because of the straight angle. Hey, so they say angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 minus angle B1. But angle B2 is also equal to 180 minus angle B1. Dus dit stukje is gelijk aan dit. En dit stukje is gelijk aan dit. Only 180 minus angle B1 occurs both here. So now you can just say, well, I skip the middleman and I just say angle A plus angle C is equal to angle B2, this one. And that was also the conjecture that we had, right? This is a whole new way of thinking where you have to get used to. If I give you a few tips, start with calculating and then take a quick look or glance and see, well, is there something peculiar happening? Is there something strange happening in all three examples? If I find that, how can I describe that? That's part B. What is actually happening? And then at C, at almost all the exercises, they give you a head start on how to prove that that is true as well. Okay, good luck.